welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface or the oil life indicator of a Ford Kuga. This one comes from 2020. This is a Kuga hybrid petrol engine, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can reset it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, the ignition must be turned on like this. Then we're gonna go through the menu. This button over here, press it. With the OK button, you can scroll up or down, go to settings, press OK, and then you'll see oil life. Press the OK button to enter the oil life menu, and it says hold OK to reset. So we're gonna hold the OK button, press and hold it, and now it says that the oil life is 100%. Sure. Remember to do it when you have changed the oil and the oil filter, at least. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.